Hello everyone, in this tutorial I will explain to you how to download and install Microsoft Office 2024 for free. If you're watching my channel for the first time, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. First, if there is another version of Office installed on Windows, you must uninstall it before starting. To do that, we'll go to the Control Panel. Then we click on Uninstall Programs. For example, if another version of Office is installed, we would right-click on it and select Uninstall. Now, we will go to Partition C and create a new folder and name it Office 2024. Next, we will go to Google and search for Office Deployment Tool. We will go to the first link. Then we click on Download. Then we go to the tool's download location. Right-click on the tool and select Run as Administrator. This window will appear. We check the box and click Continue. Here I will select the Office folder that I created to extract the tool files into. The tool files were successfully extracted. Now we'll go to Google again and search for Office Customization Tool. We will go to the first link. Here I will specify whether to download Office programs using a 32-bit or 64-bit architecture. To determine which option to choose, we will right-click on this PC icon. Then we click on Properties. Through System Type, we will ensure that we are working on a 64-bit system. We will click here to select the version of Office we will download. Here we will choose Office LTSC Professional Plus 2024, Volume License. Now we scroll down. Here we will select the Office programs we want to download. As for me, I will download Word, Excel, Access, and PowerPoint. Then I will click on Next. Next, we will select the language of the Office programs. Here I will choose the United States English language. Then I will click on Next. I will disable this option because I don't have any other versions of Office installed on Windows. Then I will click on Next. Here I will press Finish. Next, I will click on Export. Here I will choose Office Open XML formats. Here I will check this box. Do not change this name. Now click on Export. We will now go to the file download location. We will move this file to the Office folder that we created on Partition C. We will now click here to get the file path. Now we copy the file path. Next, we will go to Windows Search and type CMD. Then right-click and select Run as Administrator. Here we will type CD followed by a space, then press Ctrl+V to paste the file path. Then we press Enter. There is a command that we will copy and paste here to begin the process of downloading and installing Office programs. You will find all the commands used in this video in the first pinned comment. Then we press Enter. The process of downloading and installing Office programs will now begin, and the time it takes depends on your internet speed. The process of downloading and installing Office programs has been completed. There is another command we will use in this video. We will go to Windows Search and type PowerShell. Or we can press the Shift key and right-click. Then we click on Open PowerShell window here. We will copy the second command and paste it here. Then we press Enter. This window will appear. We will press number 2 to select Office. Another window will appear. We press number 1. If you see this green line, the operation was successful. Now I will click on the Windows logo to preview the downloaded Office programs. I will now run the Word program. Here I will click on Accept. At the end of the video you will find a playlist containing all the Office tutorials. If you like the video, click like and subscribe to my channel to encourage me to provide everything new.